Welcome to our channel. Today we how to activate Kibana alerts for detection and response step by step clearly. Open your Kibana interface and navigate to the management section. In the left sidebar, select Alerts and Insights. Click on Rules to access the rules configuration. Next, click on the Create Rule button. Choose a rule type that suits your detection needs, such as threshold or query. Fill in the required fields, including a name and description for the rule. Set the conditions under which the alert should trigger. For example, define thresholds for specific metrics or set query parameters. Scroll down to the Actions section. Select an action group to determine how alerts will be communicated. You can choose to send an email, call a webhook, or trigger other actions. Configure the action settings as needed, ensuring to provide necessary details. Optionally, set a schedule for how often the rule should check for alerts. Review your configurations to ensure everything is properly set. Once confirmed, click the Save button to create the rule. Your alert rule is now active and will trigger based on the specified conditions. To monitor active alerts, return to the Alerts page in Kibana. Here, you can view triggered alerts and take necessary action as needed. Regularly review and adjust your rules to optimize detection and response capabilities. This process enhances your security posture by ensuring that critical events are monitored effectively. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.